Yo, 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 my name is Max. Some of you may know me as F57 Maxi, and this is my 2019 BMW M2 competition. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys my brand new Valvetronic exhaust system, which I genuinely think is the best system you can get for these cars. It's a full catback, equal length, valved exhaust system, so you don't have to be obnoxious all the time, only sometimes. I'm gonna be getting a ton of sound clips for you guys today. Flybys, revs, warm starts, valves open, valves closed, everything you can hear. You could call it ASMR, but car ASMR, or car SMR. It is time for you guys to sit back, relax, and enjoy the sounds that are about to enter your ears. Let's get into this. As you just saw, the Mexican police just drove by, so we're getting out of there, and we're gonna film the last bit of clips in another location. Well, S55s don't sound good. They're too raspy. No, I don't want to hear it anymore. You just heard that. I want to give a massive shout out to Valvetronic for hooking me up with this system and turning my M2 comp into the best sounding one in the world. Let me know what you guys think, like honest opinions on this exhaust. I think it sounds insane, but I want to hear what you guys think. Let me know down below. Thank you guys for watching my very first YouTube video. If you're not subscribed to me, you're gonna want to, because 2024, we're literally taking over. Thanks for watching.